Okay guys, so today we're gonna talk about motion capture for imvu. Before we start, you need to get a few things you need to have. First, you're gonna need the female that we use to make the poses, that female master root, and we're gonna need a biped animation rig. Just download it, download those files. And now in here we have a database that has some motion captures that we can use, they're free motion captures. And you're gonna download the first one. You're gonna download this one. It's a fast download because we're gonna be using those for our tutorial. When you download it, you should have something like this. The biped, just this file. There you go. And already noticed the female master pose is those files. And about the motion cap, I have all of them here, obviously, and you should have something like this. Now, about these motion captures, when you download them, you have no idea what's inside of them. So to know what each number of this means, you open the task over here. When you open this task, it's like explaining, for example, the subject 1 is a playground, so you have forward jumps, turn around, climb, bang, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. We have modern dance, we have expression arms, and so on, so on, so on, so on. So you come open this task and it will show you this is all motion capture. This is all animations done by motion capture. And as you can see, some of them walking with obstacles. They even say and no because it's just walking with obstacles. So there's a lot of things you can try here. A motorcycle, this is the pregnant woman, alright. There's a bending over, alright. This may be useful for some people. Okay. As you can see, this is pretty useless, pretty useful, not useless. Weird marks, martial arts, you know. There's a lot of crap that you can play with and put on yourself. Okay. So we're gonna start then. Let's close this. Okay, I already explained you. We just need to have this. I will show you how you're gonna use them now. So you open your max, then you make a new scene, then you come here to the what is this called, the systems, yeah, and you have the biped, and you make a biped. As you can see here, we have our pretty biped, and then you come into the motion tab. This looks like a wheel. Then you come here, motion capture, and you're gonna load the motion capture file. You go where you download those motion files, and you're gonna change this to BVA. I have no idea if I'm saying this right because I'm bad spelling English, but yeah, just be a vision files. You change to be a vision files, and you come here. Let's say the 5. I think 5 was the dances, yeah. And let's choose the 5 5. I don't know which dance is this, but okay, 5 5. This will show up. It's alright because you don't have some giants. Just press OK. You can ignore this. In here, up the vector, you put I. Alright. You don't need. I don't need to explain you all the details, but just put I. Press OK. There you go. Now you can see our beeper already is playing the animation. And if you press play now, we have crazy Udu dance. My microphone is messing. This is like ballet, I think. This is ballet, yeah. This is definitely some kind of ballet move. Okay. So now with this, you have to come here and save file. You press this save file where you say beep. Now we're gonna save this as beep so we can use on imvu. So I'm gonna save this as beep. I'm gonna make a new file over here saying beeps. And I'm gonna come save this as crazy yoga dance. I'm in the mood yoga dance. There you go. Save. Okay, now with this done, what we're gonna do is we're gonna open that one I told you to download before, the biped rig basic, and there you go. Okay. That's just cleaning. There you go. Now what we want to do is we come here select by name, and we select the BIP01. It's normally the first. I have soup tree, but it should be the top of one of this. And we load file in here, this icon over here. And we have here our bips, crazy yoga dance, and we press it. And look how our avatar is already in the position of it. As she is doing her voodoo dance. Now, the funny thing you're gonna see about this is a lot of devs probably use those type of this database, which I showed you before. So don't be disappointed if you see some animations here that some devs use and became pros because of them. And about motion capture, basically what motion capture is, people dress a very tech suit that all the moves you do, the computer records them. You can actually do motion capture in your home, but the only thing is you have to invest money in the right software and in the right, let's say, hardware, but it's like the clothes to work with. And you can make those things yourself. Or you can just pay someone to make them for you, or you can find files on internet and pay for them. There's a lot of ways you can get your hands on motion capture. So let's keep with it through. Now that we have our crazy chick already dancing, the yoga dance, we're gonna select everything, and you're gonna come here, and we're gonna export. Where am I gonna export this? I'm gonna export to poses. Sure, it's all less tutorial. And crazy yoga dance. No, I changed to yoga. And .xaf. Now save at xaf. Now in here you want to have the idle standing pose master, the one for the normal poses in here, and next, next, next. Now when you come on imvu, on create, let's say derive new product, empty derivable female clothing. Okay. Now we go on action, we add an action, let's say trigger dancing. Oh, crazy. And we had the XFI tutorials, and we have, where did he put it on poses, I think, right? Yeah, there you go. Crazy yoga dance. If I remember, I put, it was 2 to 7, if I'm not wrong. And apply changes, and now let's say what happened when we put the crazy. There you go. Now it's a little bit broken, but that's kind of details you have to work on 3D Max if you want to fix them. Let's see if we can fix that. Let me just put some more things here, replace. Yeah, it's like breaking the legs, but it's a crazy dance anyway. It's like ballet, and there you go. And don't forget, you can actually delete those things. You can actually delete animation of those things, probably. Give you example. For example, the ad. Where is the head? Where is the head? There you go. They have this animation right here. You can take this out. Now, oh, it's a bip, but sorry. Yeah, this is something. Yeah, I think how this happened. This is the bones, and this is the pipette. This is where the animation is, and this is where the animation will be. So if you want to change something, you have to come to the pipette. There you go. For example, you can come here and take all this crap out. Now the head doesn't move, and you can make your own movements with the head, like we saw the other time. There we go. See, you can change them by using the beep. This ones. Onto this ones. You can change your animation. Okay. And that's it. Oh, you can apply this to furniture, obviously. By then selecting and applying this to furniture, you can do this on furniture as well. You put animation first, then you merge this on a furniture. You add the female master root, you align like we explained on the other tutorial, and the same process, just with this animation on. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy.